Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. It will help the channel grow. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency on CoinList Wallet. CoinList Wallet allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ether, Filecoin, and other leading cryptocurrencies with US dollars or stable coins. Securely store, deposit, and send your crypto using their best-in-class custody partners with no fees. Earn yield on proof-of-stake assets like Celo, Algorand, and Texos, and convert Bitcoin into Rock Bitcoin and start participating on DeFi. Alright, let me open the app. Here's how CoinList Wallet looks like. The app is simple, sleek, and easy to understand. Below, you will see main navigational tabs such as Wallet, Markets, Trade button, Notifications, and Settings. To deposit cryptocurrency on your CoinList wallet, tap on Markets. Here, you can search on the search bar to look for the token, or you can scroll down to find it. Let me look for Bitcoin. Here, you will see the price graph. Under, you'll see Send, Buy or Sell, and Receive buttons. To deposit, tap on Receive. Here, you can scan the QR code or copy your wallet address. You can also share it with your contacts. In my case, I will use my Celsius app to send Bitcoin to my CoinList wallet. By the way, if you haven't registered on Celsius Network, check video description for the sign-up link to get $40 bonus in BTC once you deposit your first $400 worth of crypto and keep it for 30 days. Go back to your CoinList app, copy your Bitcoin address, and then paste it here. Once done, just click on Confirm Withdrawal. Let's try a different token. Let me look for Ethereum. To deposit ETH, tap on Receive. Here, you can copy the address, scan the QR code, or share your ETH address to your contacts. This time, I'll show you how to withdraw cryptocurrency on your CoinList wallet. Make sure you're under Markets. Search for the token. Let me pick Bitcoin again. This time, you click on Send. Here, you will have two options: Send to CoinList Pro or Withdraw. Since I want to withdraw my crypto to external wallet, you tap on Withdraw. Now, paste your BTC external address here. In my case, I will use my Celsius app to receive the Bitcoin. Let me open my Celsius Network app, then copy the address and paste it here. Tap the address to confirm, and then input the amount you want to withdraw. Once done, hit on Preview Withdrawal. Let me try a different token. Let me pick Tether or USDT. Click on Send again, and then Withdraw. Paste your external wallet address here. In my case, I'll use my Celsius Network app to receive Tether. Copy the wallet address, and then paste it here. Tap to confirm, and then input the amount you want to withdraw. Once decided, click on Preview Withdrawal, and just proceed with the process. You can also link your bank account or wire account on CoinList. To do that, click on Settings, and then Link to Bank. Select whether you want to add bank account or wire account. Let me click Bank Account. CoinList uses Play to link your bank. It is secure and private. Just hit Continue. Select the bank you want to use, and then log in your credentials and proceed with the process. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.